All right, you guys, I am here at the new house. You can tell maybe it's kind of echoey because there's nothing in here right now, but I promised a house tour and I'm here to deliver. Today is Thursday, July 11th. We just closed yesterday and yeah, we'll see how long it takes us to get everything done that we want to get done and get moved in. But for now, I'm gonna flip you guys around and then I'm just gonna show you around. All right, so we are at the front door and this is the living room. That carpet was left here. This is gonna be like the formal living room. We do have a separate space that is gonna be the kids' like playroom area. Right now we have, in our current house, just, you know, the one living room with all the kids' toys there, and I hate it because it's constantly a mess. But we are actually gonna try to keep this area neat and clean and no toys. We will see if we can actually do that, but it's pretty big. It's a nice size. So that's the living room area. We have a nice big coat closet here. Just, you know, standard closet. And then, guys, a little entryway here, which I like. I want to get maybe some type of little bench or something like that. So that's the foyer and the living room. And then it is a split level. So you have a couple stairs here. And then when you walk in here, it's the kitchen. So let me take you upstairs first. And I'm sorry if the camera is going to be shaky. The light is not on right now. Okay, so, all right, so when you come up the stairs, you first have the bathroom here, and this bathroom is bigger than we have now, so I'm super excited about it. We have a pretty large vanity right here, then the toilet, and a pretty nice sized shower too. It seems like it's pretty big. And then behind here, we have a really nice big closet for a lot of storage. So that's the bathroom. It's the only bathroom, technically. There's like a toilet down in the basement, but it's one of those basement bathrooms. So there's that. And then as you keep walking, we have the 3 bedrooms. So this is the first one. They're all pretty, you know, just standard bedrooms. I think this will be my daughter's room. The walls are gray right now. I would like to paint it, but honestly, that's like last as a priority on the list. So I don't know if I'll get to it or not. Closet over there. And then we have Rowan's room, and it is blue. He loves blue, so we don't have to do any painting in here. These 2 bedrooms are a really nice size. And then you have the master, which is actually the smallest bedroom. But the reason we are taking this one is, well, first of all, it has the ductless air unit, but it has 2 closets. Now, they're not the biggest of closets. This house is from 1964, so, you know, things were smaller back then. But to have an entire closet to myself, I'm super excited about that. So I hope I can fit everything in there. So even though we're not going to be able to fit a ton of furniture here in this room, I still think having the extra closet space is going to be really nice because currently we both share a closet and it's kind of small. So that's this little upstairs area. And then if you go downstairs, you have the kitchen. So right off the living room where you come in the front door, here is the kitchen. It's a pretty big kitchen lengthwise. Here's the cabinets and everything as they are now. And then, you know, there's this area over here. This is where we're gonna have to put our table because we don't have a dining room now. And then there's this shelf. I'm not exactly sure if the fridge was here at one point or something. You could tell the floor is kind of messed up there. That shelf will be moving. I think I'm gonna put some type of shelf there and do like a coffee bar area because we need a space for our coffee makers. But yeah, I've never had like an oven and a cooktop like this before, so we'll see how that works out. But again, I'm gonna paint all these cabinets. Still haven't figured out what to do with the countertops yet, but we'll see. This backsplash is gonna come off. And then there's the fridge there, and that is a nice size closet. That will become our pantry. We have a little porch here leading out to the backyard. It's a wonderful size jars. I don't know if you guys can really tell from the video, but it's a really nice size. It actually extends beyond this fence here. I'm not sure why it didn't just fence in the entire yard. I don't know, maybe it was too expensive or something, but even with the fence being here, it still is a really nice size. You can see the previous owner did, some landscaping and things like that. I don't know if I'll be keeping that or not, but you have this covered area here with the picnic table. We brought a couple toys over for the kids. And so I love the fact that we have a yard, we have that covered area, and then the sliding glass doors down there, which is going to be really nice. And then off the kitchen, you have a couple more steps here going down, and this is the area that's going to be the kids' playroom. So this room is huge. It's really, really big. Like I said, it's going to be the playroom. It's also going to be my husband's office. Because there's really nowhere else for his office. So I'm thinking his desk will probably go there, and then all of the kids' stuff everywhere else, basically. And then that door there is to the garage, and then you have the sliding glass doors here to go out to the yard. Last but not least, you have the basement here, which again, just a few stairs down. And this is going to be where my office / craft room is. You could see it's just a typical basement right now, but we are going to do a little bit of finishing down here, make it, livable. There's that other bathroom I was telling you about. We are going to upgrade that and make like an official bathroom, hopefully. Hopefully it's not just, we're gonna see like what we could do with the way the layout is and the drains and things like that, but hopefully we can make it a nice enough looking bathroom. That is the washer. The dryer is all the way on the other side, and our current house has that now, opposite sides of the room. I'm hoping we can maybe move the dryer over next to the washer, but I don't know. We will have to see. So that is it for the tour. I love it. I love the layout. I think it's really gonna work for our family. Yeah, let me know what you guys think below. If you have any ideas in terms of decorating, just how to kind of make it the best that we can for us, I don't know, just let me know. I'm very interested to hear, and not sure if you could hear that banging, but that's the kids running around. So I'm gonna let you go, but let me know what you think below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.